Right, when we moved into this place, how bad was the floor?
Well, the floor was not one of the greatest features, shall we put it that way? Because
shocking.
Let's face it, when we're working on cars, one thing is we want to know where everything that we've put down is.
What he means by that is everything he's dropped.
It's all important in a workshop. When you're doing builds on cars, you don't want mess all around.
So we were looking online. In fact, no, I'll give it to you. Fuzz was looking online and he found
Resincoat. But of course, Tim then took over.
Well, he wanted a speckledy one, you see. He likes the whole speckled thing.
But I didn't want the grey, I wanted the pink.
Yeah, no, but they do a pink one as
Yeah,
well.
I know. That's what I wanted.
But I wanted the light grey, so guess what? Yeah, the lady gets what the lady wants. We got the light grey one.
And it looks great though, I've got to say, it does look great.
It's resilient, it's hard, it's tough, it doesn't scuff with shoes. In fact, when you do skid a car on this, you can wipe it off, it comes off, which is good.
Yeah, and also, the other thing is, of course, we drag jacks and lifting gear across this floor, and it's been great, absolutely great.
Yeah.
It looks pristine. So the first stage was...
We went looking for cracks. Now, I'm very good at finding cracks.
There are lots there.
Yes, there are, yes. And the next thing was, we filled the cracks with epoxy mortar, simple as that.
We put down a Resincoat oil-tolerant primer. So the next stage was to put down a polyaspartic mid-grey paint.
How can you rush that, a what?
A polyaspartic mid-grey paint. Because you like a little flake on everything, don't you? If you have an ice cream, you have a flake.
Sparkles on top, that's what I'm here.
Yeah,
a little sparkle.
Yeah, that's
And then we put a polyaspartic clear coat on top.
It's given the whole workshop a different feel.
A level of professionalism that without it, frankly, we don't have.
I'm surprised at how durable it is because in other workshops we've used ordinary floor coverings, ordinary floor paints, and within a matter of weeks, it's
scratching, gouging.
Yeah, and this Resincoat stuff, absolutely wonderful, durable, and it just makes everything tidier. You know, it actually works. If you're looking at a clean floor when you go into a workshop, you just think, brilliant, that place is where I want to take my car.
It just always looks new. We did this in under 24 hours.
Yeah.
So it was one day of lost operation, back to it the next day with this lovely flooring.
That's right, so if you close on a Sunday, that's the time to do it.